Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and today I want to unbox my new brand of Whitin shoes. So if you can see down here, I know it's a little dark in here, these are the shoes that I normally wear day to day. So these are brand Whitin. You can see you've got some wear across the heel, across the ball of the foot, normal wear patterns that you would expect. I've had these about 9 months now. I wear these day to day at work. I also do a lot of running in these. I like running in a minimalist shoe. So these have held up really great for me. I decided I wanted to buy a pair of their running shoes. So let's see what we've got. So first impression right out of the gate, these are pretty lightweight. They seem to be, of course, they're minimalist, so they're extremely compliant. They do have a little bit of paper in there. You can see the difference in the color. So we've got the lighter gray, which was my older shoe, and the darker gray, which is the newer shoe. I think they look really sweet. I think they've got a sleek look to them. Let's see what we can do about getting them on. Oh, they actually feel really good. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I mean, it almost feels like a slipper. It really does. Like my previous brand felt really comfortable. There's an elasticity to them. You know, up here, what would be the tongue on a normal shoe, like these guys have this tongue. This is kind of an elastic, really, really soft material. There's some elasticity back in the heel. So if I hook in here and I pull, there's some elasticity there. The toe box feels really comfortable. It's one of those shoes that when you put it on for the first time, I mean, there's no breaking them in. These things are incredible. I love this. I purchased a size 9. I typically wear anywhere from a 9 to a 9.5. My toe sits right at the right spot. Right here, there's probably about a 1/4 inch, maybe a 1/2 inch between the end of my toe and the end of the shoe. Like I said, I think these things are awesome. I'm gonna go take them out for a run. I'll come back, I'll update you guys in a new video and tell you what I think.